Hi, welcome to the channel. I am Lena Hansen, and today I'm going to show you a really simple forehead routine using face yoga and facial massage. So grab some face oil and let's get started. So we're going to get started by applying a bit of face oil to our forehead area. We don't need to apply a lot. We just need to apply a little bit here just to make sure that we're not tugging on the skin at all when we're doing these facial massages. So we're going to start by gently tapping our forehead area here with our fingertips. So gentle taps all over the forehead, going down to our temple area and our cheek area here. This is wonderful for relieving any tension in the forehead, but it's also great for boosting the blood circulation in the forehead area, helping to improve collagen and elastin production. Wonderful. So we're going to do our first face yoga exercise. So take your index fingers and place them right above the eyebrows here. And then I want you to gently rest your thumbs on the cheek area here. So what we're going to do, we're going to open up our eyes wide, hold here for 5 seconds, and then gently relax. So place your fingers here, thumbs on the cheek, and open up your eyes wide. Hold here for 5 seconds. Now relax. We're going to do this again. Place your fingers here above the eyebrow. Rest your fingers on the cheeks and open up your eyes wide here. Wonderful. We're going to do this one more time. So what this exercise does is really lifts and firms the forehead muscles here. This is great for strengthening the muscle in our forehead. Wonderful. So by strengthening this forehead muscle here, this is going to help release any tension. It's going to reduce those lines and wrinkles in our forehead. And what we're doing with this exercise is really teaching our eyes to make more movements as opposed to our forehead. So when we're going through our daily life, we tend to make so many different expressions and we use our forehead a lot. So when we keep doing these repeated motions, this is when we create these lines and wrinkles in our forehead. So by teaching our eyes to make more of the movements, we can also help then to teach our forehead to relax and smooth out. So the next exercise we're going to do is to take our fingers here, place them in the middle of the forehead here, and then I want you to gently sweep outwards all the way out to the temple area here. We're going to do this 10 times. This is going to help relax the forehead muscle, releasing the tension in this area, and also help to increase the blood circulation, improving collagen and elastin production. Wonderful. Next, we're going to take our index fingers and slide them up, just starting here at the bridge of the nose, moving all the way up the 11 lines here. This is going to smooth out this area as well. The 11 lines, also lines and wrinkles that get created here by making these expressions. We're going to smooth out this area here. Really just feel that tension releasing, melting away. Feeling that circulation moving in our forehead, boosting our collagen and elastin production here. Wonderful. Next, we're going to take our index fingers and just start making zigzag motions here. Moving all the way from the middle of the forehead, moving to one side, and then moving to the other side, going back and forth. Now to end this routine, let's just take our fingertips here and gently again move them all the way out towards the temples here, just smoothing out this whole area, relaxing our forehead muscle. Wonderful. Beautiful. Now, I hope you enjoyed this routine. If you did, please like and subscribe. And please check out my other face healing techniques in my playlist to learn more about different techniques that you can target different areas of the face. So until next time, have a good day, everyone. Take care.